In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the "this app can't run on your PC" error. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But that could be a very annoying error, but there's actually a very simple fix for it. So what I want to do is go to the bottom where it says search and type in CMD or type in command prompt. Then when it shows up, I don't want to open it, but I want to run it as administrator. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Then just click on yes when you get the prompt. It's going to look something like this. And all I want to do is firstly, I want to type in SFC, then space, and then slash scan now. Once you do that, it's going to say beginning system scan. This process will take some time. It can take a few minutes to do, but just wait for it to happen. And it's going to basically see if there's any internal files or folders that are on your PC that might be corrupt and might not be working properly. So depending on how much you have on your drives, this might take a long amount of time, but it shouldn't take any more than 10 minutes. As you can see, I'm talking right now and my percentage is going up relatively quickly. It's going about like a percent every half a second. So just wait for this to complete, and then whenever you try and open up your application again, it should be working properly. And it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out other videos that we've been posting on the channel as well.